Yeah, you used to walk through the hotel lobby, which was quite funny. You know, it's all like white marble floors and everything. Hey, are you going over to Canary Wharf?
Yeah. Tap in, yeah?
Oh, I tapped in, yeah. Am I alright to put the bike on?
Just in the middle there, mate.
In the middle, are we? Great, thanks.
Just tap out, guys, yeah?
Yeah, thank you. Alright, we're in Canary Wharf now. It's not really a place I'd normally come, but you know, it's like the what do you call it? Like the business and finance sort of, yeah, business and finance sort of area of London. Angle all right? I think so. Oh. Yeah, it's weird coming here. It sort of sometimes feels like a different city, just because like the architecture is all so different. I think it was all built up in the 80s. So it's very different than like other bits of London. So I guess it's interesting for that reason. Ah, it's blowy. Whew. I feel like the little ferry trip makes it worth it. This is the start of the canal. So this canal should just take us all the way up to the Olympic Park, which is where the 2012 London Olympics were held. I think most of the facilities are still in use. So like all the swimming pools, I know the velodrome is still in use. You can actually go there and like watch people ride. Sorry mate, just on your right. Yeah, there's a little coffee stand in the what's it called? The Lee Valley Velodrome, is that what it's called? Yeah, there's a little coffee spot. You can go there and go watch some people ride. kind of cool. They've got like some squash courts. Is it squash or like what's it called? Maybe like paddle something, some sort of racket sport. But yeah, they've set up a bunch of courts in the middle of the velodrome. So you've got like people riding round and round and round, and then you've got just these people like, you know, playing in the middle. It's cool to see that all these facilities are still being used though, because like it's a bit of a shame just to build them for like the Olympics and then just go and get rid of them all, you know, or just like abandoning them. Because there's some more Olympic facilities in London down towards Crystal Palace, I think, which is South London. And yeah, I think those ones are all abandoned. And then there's the historic Herne Hill velodrome, which is an outdoor velodrome. And that's still operating. But I think that was built for the Olympics as well. But like, I think the Olympics, like maybe back in like the 1920s. Don't quote me on that, but it's been there for a while, and it's, you know, it's still a functional velodrome. So it's nice to see that it's still being used, you know. Yeah, I think the oh, so many pigeons. Jeez. Yeah, I think London's hosted the Olympics 3 times. Like I said, maybe in the 20s, maybe once in like the late 50s or the 60s, and then more recently in 2012. Hey, just on your right. Sorry, thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Thanks, mate. These bars are too wide for canal paths. Like barely fit anywhere. I can't wait for the summer. Having said that, it's not bad today. It's not cold or anything. It's just grey. Just really grey. Maybe I'll keep filming until we get to the Olympic Park, and then I might film a quick bike check if I find a good spot. A couple of you asked for that. Yeah, let's see if we find a cool spot where we can set the bike up and show you. Hey. Thank you. Hey, this bridge is cool. The train. Right, here we are. Don't know if you can hear me, it's so windy, but I think that's the main stadium there. We'll be coming up to it in just a sec. Ugh. Ah, no, that's West Ham United Stadium. See, I don't know if that was the Olympic Stadium and then like West Ham took it over like after the Olympics, or if that's always been there and they're two different stadiums. I don't know. Let me know if you know. And there's that sculpture I was talking about earlier, the red thing. It's probably got a name. I don't know. It looks like a helter-skelter, but I don't know. I really haven't brushed up on my facts, have I? That's the V&A storehouse, which is part of the V&A museum. It's kind of like an art gallery meets IKEA, you know, so it is very much a working storehouse where they store loads of stuff that isn't necessarily on display. But you can basically go there and there's like viewing platforms and you can like see all the all their collections basically like in storage. It's quite interesting. It's weird. I think it's quite a unique thing. But it's cool, you know. Like, it's worth going, and it's free. You can also peer down into like all the labs and like the workshops they have there. So like you can see people like restoring really old clothing and stuff, which is cool. Yeah, it's an interesting place. See the Shard all the way over there, just back towards London Bridge. Let's try and find a spot for a bike check here. Okay, I think I just found a cool spot to do this little bike check on this cool looking wall. So yeah, this is my Surly Steamroller. It's size 59, fixed gear. So yeah, what we got on here? Got some Sugino 75 cranks and the Sugino 75 bottom bracket. Got some time attack pedals. Disgusting zoomy chain. And then a 18 tooth condor cog in the rear. And then a 42 tooth Andal chainring. So it's nice and spinny. So very much tracked across gearing. What else we got? The wheels are some H+ Sun rims laced to some Halo track hubs. Same on the rear. And then we got some Terravale Cannonball tyres. I've got a somewhat new 38mm on the front, and then a slightly worn out 35mm on the back. Yeah. And then up here, I've got a Nitto stem. I can't remember which one it is. I think it's like the sort of basic one, like the plain silver one. That's a 90mm. And we got a Nitto top cap, some Nitto for shred bars. I can't remember how long they are. I cut them down slightly. They come in two lengths. You can get some longer ones and some shorter ones. These were the shorter ones. I think they were 600mm, something like that. And I took about 1.5 inches off either side. Just so you can fit through tight gaps, fit between buses. Then we got some Ergon GA3 grips. They're kind of dad grips, but they're super comfy, and I think they look kind of cool. And we got a Pool E-lever, I think it's called. Yeah, and then we got this mount here. This is just something off Amazon. So it's got the Wahoo mount on the top for the bike computer, and then like a GoPro mount on the bottom with a cat eye adapter so that I can put my light there. Try and keep the cockpit clean and tidy. And then the quad lock, just as you've seen in some of my videos, I never know where I'm going, so I need that. And then we just got this Decathlon Riverside like feed pouch. It's just got a ND filter in there, which I definitely don't need today because it's so cloudy. What else? Seat post is a Nitto 92. I think people call it the froggy seat post because the clamp looks like a frog. And then just a Ritchie Comp saddle I just got from a parts bin at my mate's bike shop. Cat eye rear light, blue lug triangle. Over here we got a White Industries freewheel on the other side, just because I do ride this thing single speed sometimes. I think that's about it. Stickers. Got a Massworks sticker over in Paris. Hop King from here in London. I think that Hearts of Blue Lug sticker. We've got a Ghost sticker from over in Japan. Another Blue Lug sticker. This is a Bicycle Boys Club sticker. They're a bike shop over in Bangkok in Thailand. We've got a Slow Spin Society sticker. Shout out Paul. MASH sticker. It's just someone gave me this on a group ride. Sorry man, can't remember your name, but it's a nice sticker. And there's a Beat Chanelli sticker down here. Hub Jub sticker, which is like a single speed fixed gear parts online like parts shop here in the UK. DJI sticker. Obviously the mandatory hotline sticker down there. Just turn this over, show you the other side. And this side, Calling in Sick, awesome magazine. Highly recommend reading their stuff. And then a Cycle Project Store, which is a quite boutique bike shop over in Singapore. Calico Coffee here in London. That was a Bike Creature sticker, which is another sort of accessories shop over in Singapore. Chrome sticker, little sticker my mate gave me, and then this cute sticker which is from a coffee shop I think over in Korea. Yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, that's my 30 Steamroller. Yeah, thanks for watching this little video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.